What if instead of scrolling through 43 pages of notes, you could just ask your Google Drive a question and it would just answer it like ChatGPT? Now, let me tell you, I had a meta exam on musculoskeletal rehab specifically for shoulder injuries and back injuries. And I was absolutely cooked. My notes were all over my drive and it was an absolute mess. Some notes were in docs, some notes were in PDF formats, a few as Google Slides. It was just all over. So let me show you what I did. Alright guys, so check this out. I literally just searched up shoulder and back in my Google Drive, right? Look how many notes I have all on shoulder and back injuries. It's going to be literally impossible to go through all my notes and study for the exam because it's all messy, it's all everywhere. So this is how we're going to use GPT Workspace to organize all my notes into one place. So we're going to start GPT Workspace by pressing on this icon. Alright. And I'm going to come over here. I'm going to type this prompt, and the prompt is going to be create a single document combining all insights on all content related to shoulder and back injuries and rehabilitation protocols across my drive. All right. And then we're going to send that through. And this is what's going to happen. So GPT for Drive isn't just for search. It also searches through all your files and understands the content inside those files. So you're not just looking for the file name, you're looking for the answers with the question that you're provided with. So you can do different use cases and examples. You can put a certain question that you're looking for that you can't find the document for and things like that. And then in my case, it pulls all the documents together with citations and everything, so you know exactly where it comes from. Alright guys, so as you can see, it's read through all my documents on shoulder and back injuries and rehab protocols across my drive and has created a comprehensive document combining all the insights into one master insights compilation document. And let's see. So yeah, oh my god, it is 120 pages long. So now it's all in one place for me to study. If you want a shorter document as well, you can go back and ask for a more summarized version of the document. But that's essentially GPT Workspace and using GPT Drive for study to increase your productivity and increase your efficiency in your study, so you're ultimately prepared for your exam in the best way possible. Now, if you want to try it yourself, I've left a link in the bio for a free trial with GPT Workspace where you can use this exact function for your GPT for your drive. It's an absolute game changer. Try it out. Let me know what you think in the comments.